welcome to a one-bedroom apartment in Brickell. We are in the downtown of Miami. Come on in. This is a one-bedroom space, about 800 square feet. It has a nice granite countertop and custom appliances and dishwashers even built into the cabinet. Tons of space for single living or a couple. We have a nice little seating area here and a very open layout of the living area with a TV and couch and a nice perfect space to work. It's a long room, so you can kind of do whatever you want with the space. It's a nice little area to sit out here and get a little bit of a view, and it's just a wonderful environment, super bright, great windows. Right now it costs $2,800 a month, but 2 years ago it was $2,000 a month for rent. And it just shows how crazy that Miami's gotten with its prices. This is the balcony. And it's so great out here to lounge and, you know, hang out with friends and stuff. It's a little empty on furniture. And then you can even see the water over here. It's got a great view from this little corner. I love to just come out here and chill. Master bedroom is gigantic. It's like almost the same size as the living space, so you have a lot of freedom to do what you want with the space. And I mean, look at these views out here from the bedroom. It's like a perfect spot to just, if you wanted to turn this into, you know, your workspace too, you get a really pretty view of that pool and the water and like these other buildings. It's just a great spot. And then we'll make our way through the little hallway here, so you have privacy as well, because a lot of one bedrooms, you tend to have not as much privacy, so you can also totally section off the living space out here, which is nice. And then here's the bathroom, which is like my favorite spot. It's a huge bathroom, and look at this tub. It's gigantic, and it has like a cool window and the shades up that you get to see out, and it even comes with a bidet. So and it has storage space in the mirror, and just a lot of storage. A lot of thought was put into this place. Nice counters, nice floor to ceiling tile over here by the bath. Like, you can see that the tile goes all the way from the top to the bottom, which is really nice. And a lot of storage is definitely designed into this place to have that. And this bath is so cool. It comes from the ceiling, and there's got a nice shower. Then we'll make our way back out to the living space and kitchen, and that's basically it. This place used to be $2,000 a month, but in the last 2 years rent skyrocketed. Now it's $2,800 a month, and it's about 800 square feet in all. And there's great stuff upstairs too that we'll check out in a little bit. I'll send you on your way.
So as you can see, people are enjoying their weekend over at the pool. We have a nice pool here, an infinity pool. You also have a nice hot tub as well. That's pretty much like an infinity hot tub, if you want to call it that. And the best part is you also have a nice view of the Bay of Miami. You can see Key Biscayne from a distance. And a lot of traffic with boats today. Definitely on the weekends, there's always people on boats enjoying their time out there. Definitely something to do if you're around Miami.
So unfortunately at this point I have to do a voiceover because of some slight technical difficulties. But as we walk over to the side of the building, you have an amazing view of Biscayne Bay. From here you can see Miami Beach and the Port of Miami from a distance. You can even see the highly exclusive private island, Fisher Island, which is the richest zip code in the United States. Sorry, Beverly Hills. You can only reach the island by boat or ferry. To the right, you can see Key Biscayne and the bridge that connects the island to the mainland. The spot is beautiful at night, just as much as during the day, as you can see the city lights at nighttime.
Just a quick little view here. There's not much, but it's a nice little hangout spot. If only they had like some chairs and whatnot, but that's okay. Here you can just hang out with a friend or two, have a beer, enjoy the view, and have like a little discussion. I don't know. Let's get going then. All right, now let's check out the gym.
Here we have a standard apartment gym. This gym includes some dumbbells, weightlifting machines, cardio machines, and medicine balls. It's a great way to get a quick workout in without having to leave the comfort of your home. Here you have the clubhouse. It's a great spot to celebrate special occasions such as birthdays, holidays, and other events. As you can see, you have a nice bar at your disposal and a spacious lounge area to entertain guests such as friends or family.
So that's going to be the conclusion of our tour. Just to reiterate, this was a 800 square foot, 1-bedroom apartment in the heart of Brickell in downtown Miami. You've got great walking space in the surrounding areas. The amenities are wonderful, and it's about $2,800 a month. So that's the place.